All right, we're watching the weather for you today, and outside, well, I guess we're going to be ready for just about anything to happen. We've got the humidity, Dante. We've
Yep,
got prospects of rain, too, and lots going on.
exactly. And some thunderstorms also
Oh,
possible this
goodness.
weekend.
Okay. Well,
Yeah,
batten down the hatches a little bit.
definitely. The good news is we're not looking at any real severe weather, but
Okay.
definitely that chance of a thunderstorm is there in a couple rounds through today and also into Saturday to start the weekend. So if you're heading out to Gomart Park tonight for the Charleston Dirty Birds game, there could be some showers and storms. Again, nice and warm, around 80 degrees. 6:35 is our first pitch time, but it is possible to have a couple of rain delays tonight, especially if those thunderstorms do move in during the match. But warm and sticky out there, only in the 70s there by 9 o'clock. Although we are looking for another round to come in later as well. And right now, we do have some showers and storms in parts of Wayne County, even in the Cabell County around Huntington right now, getting a quick soaking of rain right at this point, which is just enough to wet the ground. But at the same time, there have been a few lightning strikes out there with these storms. So if you do see lightning or hear thunder, good idea to head inside if you're doing anything away from home at this point in time. And the reason for that is a warm front. We actually have a couple of these in our region right now, and low pressure back in the middle of the country, which came out of Oklahoma last night, and there was some severe weather that direction. The remnants of that system is starting to put some moisture across our region. The good news is no severe weather for this point in time. We may have a little bit of that late in the weekend, but at this point in time, the next few days, just some pop-up showers and thunderstorms in that particular variety. So yard sale day tomorrow on Charleston's East End could be a little bit unsettled. We have rain showers in the morning, and then perhaps a few afternoon thunderstorms as well, more scattered and warm and humid. So they'll be pretty sticky outside as well. You want to have plenty of water to stay hydrated and also some air conditioning around as well during the day too. Even though we're still in the 70s and 80s for temperatures, I think it'll be pretty sticky outside. So let's time out the rest of your afternoon. Another round of showers and storms starts to make its way through the early evening, perhaps 5 to 7 p.m. here in Charleston. That's what we could have some issues for the baseball game tonight, and then also down to the coal fields by 9:30, another round. Things start to appear to settle down, but we could have a few pop-up showers as we head into the overnight. And this pattern here is what's going to continue into your Saturday morning. So Saturday morning, sticky, humid, and soggy to an extent. But notice it's more pop-up. It's scattered. It's not everywhere. We could have a quarter of an inch of rain and a downpour, and then you go 5 miles down the road, and maybe you don't have anything. But regardless of where you are, it will still be pretty sticky outside. And by 10:30, after sunrise, we get some more showers and storms to develop. Afternoon, still a little bit unsettled, soggy, but notice that there are plenty of opportunities and times where it is dry. So it's not going to be raining the entire day from where you are, but still unsettled at times. So through early evening, maybe another thunderstorm, then the midnight hour gets a little bit better. Gets a little bit better, mostly cloudy skies, and Mother's Day looking to be pretty nice outside as well. So peaks of sunshine there for Sunday morning. Then maybe a pop-up shower or storm by the afternoon and evening. There's the opportunity, though, for a few thunderstorms late Sunday into Monday as a system begins to make its way towards us to start the new week. So it could be a little bit unsettled late in the day Sunday at this point. And in fact, the Storm Prediction Center has actually shown a number 2. This is a slight risk of severe weather into eastern Kentucky and parts of southeast Ohio, and a marginal risk for Charleston and points east. So 1 or 2 thunderstorms late Sunday into Monday. With that round of rain, could have some gusty winds or small hail, but at this point it's looking to be a pretty isolated threat. Now, I say that because notice how muggy it is for Saturday. In fact, that very surprised face there, that means it's pretty humid outside. The air has a lot of moisture in it, and it'll feel uncomfortable. As we head into Mother's Day on Sunday, things get a little bit better. Notice that this area of moisture, this is not rainfall, this is moisture in the air, starts to kind of settle down and go to the south. So through the end of the weekend into Monday, it's actually not going to be pretty sticky outside. Part of that will be relieved by any rain showers that we get. But at that point, once the moisture runs out late Sunday night into Monday, it might have to struggle to keep those storms from developing, which would be a good thing. So for today, a nice warm day, upper 70s, low 80s. I think we'll get into the 80s today. And still, those afternoon and evening storms are possible with light southerly winds. And for Saturday, a nice day in temperatures, but not so nice in the weather. Scattered thunderstorms are possible throughout the day, but there will be plenty of dry periods as well. And your Mother's Day, a really nice and beautiful day for any outdoor dining or anything you want to do outside. It looks really good. Temperatures in the 70s, still sticky though, and perhaps a spotty shower later in the day and into the evening. So on the 7-day forecast, cooler into next week. We'll talk a little bit about why that could be for Monday and Tuesday, but still a patchy shower here and there and mostly sunny skies as we head into Wednesday and Thursday.